How to publish Google Docs to the web or website. So to start, the first thing that we need to do is to open a sample Google Doc. So as you can see, I have this one here. So if I want to publish this one, all I need to do is to go on top and then tap on this file option. Under here, tap on the share option, and then in here, we'll have to tap on this publish to web. After that, a pop-up menu will appear here. So in here, it says, make your content visible to anyone by publishing it to the web, and then you can link to or embed your document. So here we are given two choices, link or embed, and then if we scroll down, tap on this publish content and settings. In here, you can change the settings to automatically republish when changes are made. So as for me, I'm just gonna use this option, and then once I'm done, I'm gonna tap on this publish option. After that, tap on OK. And as you can see here, it automatically showed me a link for this Google Docs. So all I need to do is to copy this one if I want to share this published document. So and then in here at the bottom, if you want to stop publishing this document, simply tap on this stop publishing option. So that's how easily we can publish Google Docs to the web or website. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.